Alright, so here let's see what is Cartesian XYZ frame, right? So this is like a standard. So here what we have to consider is that we will be using our right hand grip rule. So this is a convention and appears in most of our stuff. So basically it tells you how we draw the XYZ frame, right? So you know that the 3D axis can be drawn like this, right? So, but we need to figure out what is X, Y, and Z. So the rule is that we use the right hand, and you have to like put your fingers, and basically the thumb should be, this is the thumb, and the thumb should be pointing up, right, along positive Z thumb, right? And then you, after doing that, naturally your fingers will be extending this way, right? So those fingers, I mean, this is the stage before curling up your fingers. So your fingertips will be pointing towards the positive X, okay, positive X. And then once you curl the fingers, right? So this is an intermediate stage. So so once you fully curl the fingers, right? So that's what I'm going to draw now. All right, so horrible drawing here, but once you fully curl the fingers, and this is your right hand, right? The thumb pointing along positive Z, and you know now this is positive X, and once your fingers fully curl, once your fingers are fully curled, these curled fingertips will be pointing towards the positive Y. So this is the convention, right? So if somewhere it says Cartesian XYZ frame, that refers to using our right hand where the thumb points along the positive Z, and your fingertips before curling all the way will points towards positive X, and once it is fully curled, those fingertips now will point towards positive Y. So in this way, we are able to obtain a Cartesian XYZ frame.